What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, we take a look at Bitcoin at the 4-hourly chart because, as you know, we are hitting super strong support from this higher low support line from this ascending channel that we've been talking now for ages. And it looks like that the Bitcoin price is also forming a huge descending wedge, as you can see here on the chart. And it's also hitting that major weekly and daily level that we go through in today's episode. And we're also going to zoom in on the 2-hourly to check out these major levels where we could get these bounces, these major rejections, support levels. And we're also going to take a look at Ethereum, guys. Very interesting scenario, so make sure to stay tuned. Hello there, Andy here. Welcome back to another episode of Bitcoinsensus. New to the channel, make sure to subscribe. Daily TA on Bitcoin crypto. Also do live streams to connect with the community. Not financial advisor. Do not buy or sell anything that I say. And if you do so, do your own research. Let's dive in. If this video gets over 2,000 likes, you comment down below, you're eligible for a giveaway in Bitcoin. So make sure to do that. Now, let's analyze here because we on the daily, okay, remember we did have the daily closes, major support line with higher lows, all right over here. But we also had the wicks, okay? And if we go to the 4-hourly chart, you can see the bodies of the candle hitting this range. So we just exactly retested this support and got a pretty nice bounce today, early this morning, all right? We got the high lows right there from the ascending channel, getting that bounce from this level. We also got the daily and weekly level at 37.7K, all right? We are getting that reaction. We are retesting it, dipping slightly below, getting that bounce again, okay? As you can see, it is round about this range. If I just go to the weekly, for any new subscribers, we have 4 candles opening and closing at this range, as you can see here. Super solid level, a lot of confluence with the weekly, daily, the higher lows from the support, and we are also forming this descending wedge scenario. You're probably seeing this in other places right now. It is true that we are forming these slightly lower lows, slightly lower lows, no solid breakouts, as you can see from the lows. No solid breakouts. Every time we break out from this major support, we have a big, massive bounce. We break down from the support, big, massive bounce. We break down from this support, big, massive bounce. This support, big, massive bounce. So does this mean that if we do break down from this low over here, all right, is it just going to be a dip down to $37,000 and have a big, massive bounce? Well, potentially, yes, guys. This is usually a bullish pattern. If we do have a solid breakout from the resistance with huge volume, we are going to start looking for longs on the retracement, no doubt about that, but it needs to be a very big, solid breakout. Now, obviously, I am also looking at longs at support levels. So if we take a look here on the 2-hourly chart, all right, with the major levels that I do have, I just want to show you the major, biggest levels below the weekly, okay, where we have been getting these bounces. It is a daily level, all right? Let me just zoom out here quickly. I'm going to show you why it is an important daily level, because we have many daily candles closing at this range. Look at this. Very, very solid level for candles to close and open at this range. You know, this is above $37,000. These two right over here are about 37. Hang on one second, guys. Let me just confirm. This is 37,057. 37,020. So the very, very low $37,000 range is a very, very strong daily. Look at this, 4 candles here closing and opening at this range. So it's very, very possible, you know, if we take a look at the 2-hourly, this is the green level, that we could get a big bounce from that range. Also, we do have, remember, the lower lows support line here, which, you know, in between today and tomorrow, if we do come down to that range, breaking this weekly, we could get a big, massive bounce all the way back up to around about the $38,000 range. So just something that I wanted to pay to point out there. I also want to show you what big resistance we do have above us, all right? Because I am interested in the volume traded for the last, 10 to 15 days. And the biggest point of control that we do have right now is at this region in between the 39.4, okay, and 39.6. As you can see, we do have daily levels on the green. Why are they daily levels? Because they are daily closes. We did get big bounces at this range, as you can see. So it is a major level. And also we do have one of the biggest point of control. So if we do solidly break out the 39,900, okay, sorry, 39,400 range, all right, this range over here, then it's going to be looking pretty good for Bitcoin for continuation to the upside after a big solid pump. But till then, we're not going to try and, find out what we're going to do. We want to react to these major levels. Okay, so something that I wanted to point out, the last few days we were talking about a diamond pattern. This is usually a reversal pattern, but in the case of this diamond, all right, nobody talking about this. I didn't see anyone talk about this. Okay, you can clearly see that we did have that successful breakout. We were talking about, you know, if we break the highs, it is bullish. If we break the lows, all right, the last higher low, then it is bearish. We solidly break down, came back up, all right, retesting the daily level, and then continue to the downside. This actually almost met the target. This is around about 90% of the target. If we do get the highs from the pattern to the lows, this is how you measure the diamond pattern potential breakout. If you go to the center part here, as you can see, we basically have done 90%, all right, of the actual trade, all right. It could have gone all the way down to $37,000 that we might hit in the next couple of days. This is also very likely, but this is definitely already a take profit area. Okay, if you do come down to retest these lows, all right, this is definitely a take profit, protecting your position if you did short this potential breakout. We've been talking about this diamond pattern the last few days, so that was a pretty successful move to the downside from the breakout. Nothing much to add here, guys. Huge resistance here at the $39,300, $400 range, major daily levels, big point of control also, as you can see here on the chart from the last volume traded for the last 10, you know, to 15 days, as you can see. And also it would be a major fib level from this high to this low. Okay, the 618 is exactly at this daily level. Okay, from the dump. Okay, started on the 28th till the 1st of May. All right, major resistance levels right over here at 39.2, 39.4. Stay super cautious at this range, all right, because we might get heavily rejected to the downside. Now, before we continue with Ethereum, I just want to let you know that on Bybit, my favorite swing trading platform, you do get an insane bonus up to $4,050 if you sign up with my link, and also 0% maker fee for 30 days. You do not pay maker fee for 30 days if you sign up with my link here down in the description. Also, a full video tutorial is down below, guys. Let's continue here with Ethereum right now, because Ethereum is also looking pretty interesting. I just want to show you this scenario over here, massive descending wedge. This is usually bullish. I wouldn't, you know, potentially long this as in, yeah, we are very likely going to break bullish because this is a bullish pattern. No, only if we do have a solid breakout from the last lower high, which is at the $2,950. If we do see the price action of Ethereum breaking out this zone with very large volume, okay, breaking the last lower high from this descending wedge, then this is the moment that I think that we're potentially going to create a higher low to continue to the upside. But till then, you know, all depending on Bitcoin, guys, you know, depending on what Bitcoin does, I can see this scenario. If Bitcoin breaks bullish, I think Ethereum obviously will break bullish also. What are the major big support levels for Ethereum right now? Well, we got this one right over here, which is at the $2,760 approximately. If I go to the daily chart, we can see it is around about that range. Daily level exactly at 2,720 right there. And this is where we are currently getting supported. Look at this. If I zoom in on the Ethereum chart, this major daily level is holding very nicely, getting that beautiful bounce. We've also got another major important level, which is a monthly level, guys. If I zoom out on the monthly, we do have the close and open just right there at this range. This is exactly the 2,689. So that 2,700 range is super strong, as you can see here on the chart. Major support from descending wedge. We got this major daily level, the monthly level. We could see a lot of volatility here, okay, and the Ethereum price, managing to hold these major levels, the daily, the monthly. We've also got the support from the lower lows, as you can see, a formation of a potential bullish pattern, guys. Stay cautious because we could see fireworks. Let's see how the traditional stock market opens, all right, opening in a few hours from now. Make sure to subscribe to the channel because I'll be doing daily updates. Had a little bit of a crazy weekend, focusing on trades Monday, Tuesday, the entire week, doing live streams to connect with you. Make sure to check out Bitcoinsensus website because we have the latest news and technical analysis ideas. Thank you, guys, and I will see you tomorrow.